I want to talk about some generic files. My desktop is so busy, but down here I have a generic file. This one is n24climate.rtf, rich text format. This is a generic file which can be opened in several applications like Microsoft Word, Notepad, name it. So it is a rich text format. If I open this rich text format, it has got a topic about agriculture and climate change. Draft report. So it has got several pages. But the issue was, how do you import these generic files to Microsoft Word? Because also, not Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. Because I've said that a generic file can be opened with several application softwares. So Word can open it. There I'm opening it in Word. But I want now to transfer it so that I can find it in PowerPoint. So what I'll do, I'll close it. After closing it, I'll go and open PowerPoint because I'd open it in Microsoft Word. And also Notepad can open it. So even WordPad. So I'll click on search. I look for PowerPoint. PowerPoint is here. But now in PowerPoint, I want to import it. So I'll go to a blank presentation. So here I have only one slide which is open. So I want to import the RTF climate.rtf. So what I'll do, I'll go to home. Below home, there is this what is called new slide. So I'll click on new slide. After clicking on new slide, because I want to import it, I'll go to slides from outline. So I'll choose this one here. I won't choose any slide layout here. I'll leave that one. I'll come to slides from outline. And then I have to identify it. It was on the desktop. And then I look for the name. The name was climate, if I'm not wrong. So they arrange it alphabetically. So I have to begin desktop. Can I say all files so that I can see all the files? So if I go down like this, I'm struggling to locate it because my desktop is so busy. Here it is. So it is n2402climate.rtf. So this is the file. And I said this type of file is a generic file because it can be opened with several others. Then I'll click on insert. So if I click on insert, then I go to slide sorter in PowerPoint. I can see it has got how many slides? 9. But in actual sense, it's supposed to have 8 because the first slide is empty. So the first slide, I'll click here, right click on it, and then I'll choose delete. So I'm left with 8 slides. So these are the 8 slides that have been imported. So I can go back to normal view. The first one is the normal view. And then let's say, for example, I was to put, I want to put my name or the date to appear in all the slides at once. So that means we are going to use a feature which is found in the view menu, which is here, view menu. It is called slide master in a family called master views. So I'll go to slide master. And then when you're in the slide master, you need to scroll up to the first slide until you see slide number 1. Make sure you click on it. Don't just see it, click on it. Once you click on it, you can remove the ones which are down here. You can delete those ones. And then using the insert, you can use the text box to draw whatever you want to appear down here. Yeah. So you can say, you can put your name if you want. Dennis Bay. And then if you want to have maybe the time it was text box again, automated page number, let's say for example, on the right side. So you can move this thing. Let me say edit text. No, I've done a mistake. So there it is. You'll go to insert again. And then when you're there, you can give it a slide number. That slide number is found in a family called text. You go to home, you center it. So this name, I can do something to it. Let's say this name, I make it bold. I change the color to white. But I want to fill the shape. So the shape that is there, I make it black so that the background is black and then you can see it clearly. So there it is. Once I'm done, I'll go to slide master, then I close the slide master. So Dennis Bay, page 1. If I come here, Dennis Bay, page 2, like that, page 3, page 4, automated page number, page 5, page 6, it appears in all the slides. That's how you apply the slide master. Yeah, so if that is how to use the slide master so that it appears consistently in all the other slides. If there was a text that you are supposed to do hyperlink, because they normally ask questions like hyperlink, global warming, so you can select that, right click on it, go to hyperlink, and then a place in this document. If it was a place in this document, you can choose where it should take you. Yeah, for hyperlinking. If it was send an email, you come here, write the email address, the subject, and then now you can be able to click OK. So under the text to display global warming. So that is in a nutshell how to use PowerPoint and working with generic files to import the files that you have prepared in Microsoft Word or Notepad. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.